Hey, let's do something fun. Let's check out the invisible coin. It is right here. Let's have a bet. I'll flip it up in the air, catch it, heads or tails? Whatever you guessed. Oh, it was heads. It's close, it had to be something, right? Let's try this again, double or nothing. Flip it up in the air, same way, catch, back into the hand, heads or tails? Oh, I think the trick's over. It's the invisible coin, and that's it. Okay, here's the explanation for the invisible coin. Even you can do this. Check this out. Ugh. Piece of tape. International sign for tape. That's all that you need is on the back of your hand. Now double stick tape, double-sided tape really works the best. I don't even have that. I've got any piece of tape. I just stick that on and I'm ready to go. Don't show your audience anything but your hands while you're doing this. And then just grab for a coin. Throw it up, catch it, and do this. That's all. Catch, heads. Now, the second part, double or nothing. Grab this, turn your hand, throw it up in the air, catch nothing, put it into your hand with nothing in it, and still ask somebody, heads or tails? They don't know. It's the invisible coin. And so you're showing like this at the end, Great trick. Don't tell anybody.